Simple distillation can just purify the solution from 50% to 80% in the given example. We can increase the percentage purity by doing the distillation again of the 80% distillate. What we have done in the diagram that we have arranged another distillation assembly where the distillate again boils and further distillation happens. After the second distillation, the percentage purity increased even to 97%. The main difference between simple distillation and fractional distillation is the fractionating column. This column sometimes contains glass beads to increase the surface area. Let us see closely what is happening in the fractionating column. As vapors produced of the mixture, they rise up. However, as we go up through the column, the temperature drops. So, condensation is expected. The 80% benzene revaporize. It is like now we are running a second distillation. So, the percent of benzene increases more than 80%. In the fractionating column, the less volatile substances fall back into the boiling flask, while the more volatile ones, like benzene, rise higher. This happens through repeated rounds of vaporization and condensation. As you move up the column, the mixture becomes purer. Near the bottom, the mixture contains about 80% benzene, but at the top, it can be almost 100% pure. This process simulates multiple distillations in one go, improving the efficiency of separating components based on their volatility.